Now students, next topic, multiplication and division. So multiplication and division, so workable problems. So we are going to do our workable problems. So our first question, multiplication, so with large numbers. So find the product of the following numbers. Find the product of the following numbers. Here three sums were there on the board. So one more question is there, one more sum is there in your textbook, that is your home assignment. These three questions again we recapitulate. See here how to do, how to multiply. 8,25,407 multiply with 7. So this is our 6-digit number, it is a large number. So this large number we multiply with 7. Here this is a 5-digit number. So here we multiply with 5. This is also 5-digit number. So here we multiply with 3. So first this one. 8,25,407 multiply with 7. Then how to multiply? First here, this ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So these are our place values. First we start to multiply from ones place. 7 sevens are 49. 49 means 9 ones, 4 tens. Then after that 7 zeros are 0. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 means 4 hundreds. Then 7 with 4 hundreds. 7 fours are 28. 28 means 8 hundreds, 2 thousands. 2 thousands. Next 7 fives are 7 with 5,000. 7 fives are 35. 36, 37. 37 means 7 thousands and 3 10,000s. 3 10,000s. Next 7 with 10,000. How many 10,000s were there? 2 10,000s were there. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 15, 16, 17. 17 10,000s means 7 10,000s and 1 lakh. Next 7 8s are 56 and this 1 lakh is there. Total 57 lakhs. 57 lakhs. Then what is our answer? 57 lakhs 77,849. 849. Next 42,925. 42,925 multiply with 5. These are ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So now we start multiplication from ones place. 5 5s are 25. How many ones are there? 5 ones. 5 ones with 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 means 5 ones, 2 tens. How many tens? 2 tens. So we have to take 2 over, carry over on tens. Next 5 with 2. 5 with tens. How many tens are there? 2 tens, 20. 5 2s are 10. 10, 5 2s are 10. 10 tens plus 2. 10, 11, 12. 12 tens. 12 tens means 2 tens, 100. Then again 5 nines are 45. 45 hundreds and one more 100 is there. 4600. 4600 is nothing but 6 hundreds, 4 thousands, carrying over on thousands place. Next 5 with 2000, 5 2s are 10,000, 10,000 and also 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14,000 means 14 in thousands place and 1 in 10,000s place, 1 in 10,000s place. Then 4 with 5, 5 4s are 20, 20 10,000s plus 1, 21, total 21 10,000s. It is the last digit complete number we have to take. So here our answer is 2,14,625. The next 85,013 multiply with 3. Then this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now first 3 with ones place. We start multiplication from ones place to the last, means from right to left. 3 3s are 9. 9 means a single digit number, no carry over on the next place. Then 3 1s are 3 1s are 3. This means 3 tens. So no more carry over next place. So only a single digit, that is why. 3 zeros are 0. Next 3 5,000, 3 5 are 15,000. 15,000 means 5 in thousands place and 1 in 10,000s place, carry over on 10,000s place. Next 3 with 8, 3 8s are 24, 24 10,000s and already 1 is there, 24 and 1 25, 25 10,000s. So it is the last digit complete number we have to write. What is our answer? 2,55,039. So this is a multiplication of large number with a single digit number, Okay, thank you. Now here, so find the product of the following numbers. Here 2 digit numbers, large numbers with 2 digit numbers we have to find. We have to find the product of a large number with 2 digit numbers. Before we did large numbers with a single digit number, not double digit numbers. So then how to find the product here? Question A and question B, so I am going to show you. So remaining question C and question D is there. The 2 questions you have to do as your home assignment. Okay. Now here first we have to take the large number 2,25,462 multiply with 75. Then make a rough column first. So in this way you have to make a rough column. First you have to take this 2,000, that is 2,25,462 multiply with 75. So then 2,25,462 multiply with 72. 72 means 75. Here, sorry, 75. 75 means 70 plus 5. 70 plus 5. 70 plus 5 means 70 ones plus 5 ones. It is 75. It is 75. Now, open your bracket first. 2,25,462 multiply with 70 first. Then after that plus. Again 2,25,462 multiply with 5. First 2,25,462 multiply with 70 and after that 2,25,462 multiply with 5. Multiply with 5. Roughly first you have to multiply this. 2,25,462 multiply with 5. Multiply with 5. 5 2s are 10 and 1 is in the next place. 5 6 are 30, 30 and 3 in the next place. 30 plus 1, 31. So we have to add also. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23. 3 here and 2 here. 5 5s are 25, 26, 27. 27 and 2 here. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 means 2 here and 1 here. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. What is our answer? So this one. First one, this. First we have to write that one. 2,25,462 into 70 means 7 into 10. 7 10s are 70. And plus. So these two products we find. So what is our answer? 11 lakhs 27,310. So this is our product. Which one? This one. Now after that, so we have to find the product of 2,25,462 with 7. 2,25,462 with 7. 7 2s are 14 and 1 here. 7 6s are 42 and this plus 1, 43 and 4 here. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4, 32 and 3 here. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3, 38 and 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17 and 1 here. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. It is 15 lakhs. First one, this product. 15 lakhs 78,234. This still here to here the product is. Into 10 is there. Into 10 means 10 we have to keep. We have to keep in the product. And plus 11 lakhs 27,310. Then. So that we have to write here. So this complete 2,25,462 5s are 2,25,462. 2,25,462 5s are how much? 11 lakhs 27,030. Then 2,25,462 70s are 2,25,462 70s are. Then what is the? So our answer is here. The commas 1 crore 57 lakhs 82,000. 1 crore 15 lakhs. 1 crore 57 lakhs. 57 lakhs 82,000. 82,000. So here first what is that? Here 11 lakhs 27,310. 310 here. We missed this one. 1 crore 57 lakhs 82,340. 340. Now we have to add 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 means 0 here. And we have to take 1 next place, carry over next place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. And 1. So this is our answer. 1 crore 69 lakhs 9,650. This is our product. Okay, so in this way we have to do. So here what it represents? This represents. So what is the product of this? 2,25,462 FISA. It shows. What it shows? 2,25,462 70s. Then what it shows? 2,25,462 into 75 into 75. So in this way, this is the product of this, and this is the product of this, and this is the product of this. This was the product of this. Okay. So now here, this is a 5-digit number. This 5-digit number we have to multiply with 94. Here, so total 6 digits are given. These 6 digits we multiply with 2-digit number. Here 5 digits we have to multiply with a 2-digit number. Then first 30,505 multiply with 94. Now make a rough column first. 30,505 into 94. 30,505 into 94. Then how to write this 94? 30,505 into 94 means 90 plus 4. 90 plus 4, 94. Now, according to the distributive property, 30,505 into 90, after that plus 30,505 into 4. 30,505 into 4. Now, 30,505, 90 means 9 tens are 90. 9 tens are 90 plus 30,505 into 4. 30,505 multiply with 4. Now multiply. 4 5s are 20. 20 means 0 here and 2 in the next place. 4 0 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 4 5s are 20. 20 means 0 here and 2 here. 4 0 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 3 4s are 12. So then it is 1,22,020. Now here 30,505 multiply with 9. Here 9 5s are 45. 45 here, 4 here. 9 0 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 9 5s are 45 means 5 here and 4 here. 9 0 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 9 3s are 27. So that is 22,74,545 into 10 is there. Into 10 means 10 we have to write. Plus 1,22,020. Now, first 30,015 multiply with 4. So what is the product here? 1,22,020. Next, 30,015 90s are 30,505 90s are. So what is our answer? 27,45,000. 27,45,450. Then it is the product of 30,505 into 4, and this is the product of 30,505 into 90. Now add these two. 0, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 0, 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 2, 6, 7 plus 1, 8 and 2. This is 28,67,470. So it is a product of 30,505 into 94. 94. In this way we have to do. If a large number is given, so with a 2-digit number, then multiplication process like this. Okay. So in the before we did large number with a single digit. This is large number with 2-digit number. Okay. More 2 questions are there. The 2 questions here home assignment. Okay. Okay. 9,80,916. So here we have to multiply with 74. So in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places are missing. So in these 7 places, either we have to keep this given digits or not. We have to check. If possible, then we have to replace this number in their correct places. So then once we have to check. So you have to do directly. So no need to do all your rough column of work. How to do direct. Okay. First 4 6 are 4. First you take 4. 4 6 are 24. 24 means here 4. So this 4 will come. This 4 we have to keep here. This box we have to take and we have to replace here. Then 2 is over 2 here. 24 means 4 here and 2 over in carry over on tens place. Then 4 ones are 4, 5, 6. 6 is here. Then after that 4 nines are this over and this. 4 nines are 36. 36 means 6 here and 3 over here in thousands place. Then 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 3. These 3 number. So we have to put here 3. The 2 places over. Next 4 8s are 32. 32 means 2 here and 3 over here. Okay. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 37, 38, 39. Here 9 is there. 9 we have to keep here. Means replace here. That 9 means 3 places over. This is completed. Now, then how to fill this second? So in second place, always we are taking in rough column and we are doing. No? So whenever you are taking this hundreds place, so this is ones place, this is hundreds place, tens place. Sorry. So this is ones place, this is tens place. In tens place we have 1 0 at the very beginning. At the very beginning we have 1 0. So at the very beginning you have to take 1 0 first. Because this is our tens place. In tens place we have 1 0. So 1 0 you have to take. So 1 0 is over. If multiply with 10, so then we will get 1 0 in one's place. So that is why always we have to take 1 0 when we start with tens place. Okay. Now here, with 7 tens with 6, 42. 2 means 2 here and 4 here. 2, where is 2? This 2. This 2 is over. Then 7 with 1. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, 11. 11, 1 is here and 1 is here. Next, 7 nines are 63. This plus 64 and here 6. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 6, this 6. It is a single digit number. 7 eights are 56 and 5 here over in lakhs place. 7 nines are 63 plus 5. 63 plus 5, 68. 8. This we have to keep here. In this way we have to fill the missing numbers. Now we have to add 4 plus 0, 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 plus 4, 7, 6 plus 2, 8, 9 plus 6, 15, 5 here and 1 over here. 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 2 here and over here 1. 6 plus 1, 7. It is our 72. First you keep commas from here. Here. 7 crore, 25 lakhs, 87,784. 784. So in this way we have to replace in the given blanks. So with the suitable numbers. Now in the same way, so the second question is given. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places missing. So 5 numerals are given, so that numerals we have to keep in correct place. Keep in correct place, and after that we have to find the product and sum. Complete product we have to find. First, 8 with 6. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 48, here 8. 8 will come, here 4. Then 8 5 are 40. 40 plus 4, 44, again 4. 8 4s are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. Here 8 is over. Again here 4. Okay. Then 8 0 0 0 plus 4 4. Okay. First again once you check. 8 6 are 48 and 4. 8 5 are 40. 40 plus 4 44. 44 and 4 here. 8 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 4. Now 8 8s are 64. 64 4 here and 6 here. Okay. Then 8 zeros are over, 8 8s are over. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Here 2 will come. Here 2. So 2 is over. Then 8 ones are 8, 9, 10. 10 means 1 is over. The 2 places over. Here what he has given, here in this place he has given already, here 0 is given. So why? Because when we are going to start with 9, this is in tens place. When we multiply with 10, so we will get 1 0. So that 1 0 we should and must we have to keep here. Then after that we have to start with 9. 9 6 are 54. 54 means here 4 will come. This 4 is over. Here 5 will come. 9 5s are 45 plus 5. 45 plus 5, 50. 50 means this 0 and here 5. 9 zeros are 0. 0 plus 5, 5. This 5 will come here. Now it filled. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything is okay. All 5. If you want to check, then you check. 9 8 is 72. 72 and 7. 9 2 is 18 plus 7 is 25. 5 here and 2 here. 9 1 is 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now you add all. 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 0 plus 5, 5. 1 1 is 1 plus 1, 2. This is 1. Now you keep commas. 1 crore 25 lakhs 49,488. This is your answer. Okay.